But nothing can stop me from going to a place. You see it? So when you see me in a place, my dog, anything you want to do me, you just do me, my dog. Easy. It's as simple as that, my bro. You see it? God me left to deal with that somehow. Cause you say if you don't know me, my mother tell you, I don't really make people drain my energy. No? You see what I say? Cause me know what me know. One thing with me, so me I hold my foot and I hold my post. Me I hold my post. You see what I say?
You're not biggie that gal, yeah? You're this big full gal. Hey, I want thing, you know. A long time I've been at the opposite of that, you know. A long time I've been at the opposite of that. A long time I've been a avoider. A long time I've been a stay far from it. A long time I've been a try to leave it alone.
You're a damn cheater.
That's it.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set,
a long time
go.
I do it.
Stop.
Everything
Ready, set, go.
I have in the life. That's it. And last time I come talk to them. Last time, you understand? Last time. Me I got reason. We don't know.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat, this can't see. Upon on the screen, Rosealee 2-man is, you know what, over her. You see what I say? But before we get to that bagga mix up, let me update you know what go on with World Dog and Fame woman Yanique. You know, yesterday, Batty Records come out and say from 2022, in my digger out. You know what I mean? And she had a bro word, community matches and all of this stuff. So even World Dog, side chick, lawyer baby, could repost one girl saying, you know, she's all of these and all of these things, but at least her man can't call her no mattress. You see what I say? So this is why Yanique responded to Batty Records now. You see what I say? Saying that she was basically using him for info. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting in the comment section, what do you think about what do you see on the screen now? Because this sent me Yanique's story, but it was deleted by the time I go over this. So that's why you say backside she posts and delete. You know what I mean? She said she was using him for info. She never really want him. Nobody now make shit this. Man. You see what I say? So I guess she don't want to leave the $1 million house that World Dog bought her the other day and all of these, you know, good thing with the celebrity lifestyle. You see what I say? But I'm just giving them update while going for that to go on because she said she not leave her man because she don't want chocolate baby get her. You see me? And the man did I say, you know what? Leaking the WhatsApp messages or, you know, creeping behind World Dog's back. No, yesterday, they post one video with Akeem, I deal with, you know, him stepdaughter, Shanti Boo and all of these things. I know they say it did all. You know what I mean? But when they say in the beginning of the video, I them the things that Jakes did I talk about. And I that Akeem I talk about. You see me, I say, cause I'm just hanging out Rosealee, not literally, but you know, the cleaning the car thing. You see me, I say, but Jakes, I'm feeling so. Him did a run off him out and talk a bag of things about Akeem, and Akeem never liked it, you know, the threats them. So I let him know all the things said. And people, me not gonna lie to you, me hear some things still, you know. So when we hear what Akeem said, then me follow up and tell him what go on, you see me?
What you mean if me good? Me tell you something. I power tap the live before I start talking to you. Because I show you something. Me not argue with nobody in a real life. Me not give nobody my energy. You see it? I know what I feel know and I say what I feel say. You see it? So you say anybody when I say I come a full on a bag of lie, I not have to say nothing no more. You see it? Because remember the people them say them never come there. So why them agree say them come there now? You see it? Yeah, bro. So you know who I obsessed one, bro. You see it? Me no bad, you know. Me ain't no bad man none at all. You see it? I shake when I see people. So me ain't no bad man none at all, bro. Me is no bad man. So watch you now. I just lock my little tail and go and do my thing and go through. You see it, means no bad man. But all me know, if me no want a boy in my place, then can't come in my place. You see it? Yeah man, but me is nobody up man. You see it? So, remember you know bro, I pray me, you know. Me not pray you know. Me not no vengeance in me against you, you know. You are pray me. That's what me I say. So when you see me in your place, you just do what you have to do, my dog. You see it? Yeah, my dog. That's all you have to do. Man, I have nothing more to say to you, bro. Big up yourself. Me is no bad man, bro. You see it? But nothing can stop me from going to a place. You see it? So when you see me in a place, my dog, anything you want to do me, you just do me, my dog. Easy, it's as simple as that, my bro. You see it? God me left to deal with that somehow, you know. Cause Bumbo clot. Boy, I never from the day I born. I never see this yet. You say if you don't know me, my mother tell you, I don't really make people drain my energy. You know? You see what I say, because me know what me know. One thing with me, so me I hold my foot and I hold my post, me I hold my post. You see what I say? Yeah, dog. Power tap the life, yeah. Yeah, bro, I live by code, dog. You see it? I know a little mix-up, boy. You see it? You see them little thing you want to see? I go on, I do them little back and forth thing, you see it? Yeah, bro. You're charging. Yeah. Yeah, gangster, my dog. I really do them little thing, bro, back and forth with man. And some man feel like, say, yo, that's some argument thing me with them, bro. You see what I say? And give some people my energy, brother. Because I give people my energy, you know. One thing with me, you know. I make boy and the energy, you know. I mean, it's a man, bad man way. Me always keep a smile for my face, dog. With anything I do charge you and go through life, bro. I mean, I make problem with people, you. You see, I'm going to tell you how people stay charged. Them make problem, you see what I say? And then catch them coward and get freed, bro. When them I make the problem, them, brother. You see what I say? When the problem start reach them back charge, be a creed them a ball. You see it? So that's why I don't make problem with people, because I'm not bad. Tell me, I tell them.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you're feeling what Akeem is saying. No, people, if you want to hear what Jake said, you know, in the beginning of the video, go up on my Boom Bye Bye news channel and go watch it over there. So got it up from yesterday, you see me? Now, people, it's no secret that your boys them is chopping. You know what I mean? You hear Sky Diamond and TikTok Live with the car cleaning business, and now you see, you know, Akeem and Figure It Out friend them telling me a real thing, you know what I mean, with intricate details. No, a next sender is saying the reason why you say Akeem run a CV because they are recruiting people to do more, you know, things for Snow and, you know, Figure It Out boyfriend and these Nicholas people. You see, as you can see, they are recruiting as well. They say that's why they in CV member what Sassy Lady said he's buying out his friends. This is not going to end well. You see, my people, and if you want, forgot check out what Sassy said. The video over the Boom Bye Bye news channel that you see in front of you, right, alongside Jake's video. You see me? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, time for some serious business now, because you know Buju Banton still hasn't apologized to whoever wanted him to. But a lot of people saying he doesn't have to because he was using his voice for the voiceless who don't have a big platform and, you know, hold weight, hold chest. So, you see me, I say, for make people bounce. You see me, I know where I see one man say, you know, them rap him. You know what I mean, at the airport and the customs. So let's take a look at what I go and proceed.
Alright, see it here. 1 barrel, 2 barrel, 3 barrel me send down. Yeah? And the 3 barrel me carry down. Send down to come to Jamaica, yeah, so. tool them, majority I tool them. Me get majority I tool them. Yeah? Except when I grinder. See there? A pack out when me have over there. So them I tool a pack out already. Yeah? These I just got look spray and stuff from the buy for me little girl them. Alright, me they have about 1.5 dozen of this. See it I'm in grow now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them left. So them take about a dozen of them. These ivory soap me get say 1 bus. Yeah, but 2 bus. But count that one there. See there? About a dozen of them I may have about 3 of them me get back a bus 1 plus this and 1, 2, 3, 4 of them I may get back. Out a whole dozen I added in there. This is about not finished pack out yet, but I know so the rest of it down in there so. Yeah, now nothing to do with them there. Yeah, so I know so I'm missing few things well out of this. All I can stuff them out of this. All I can food them. Canned beef, sardine, spam. Think about it. These were like 1.5, 2 dozen. I'm going to show you guys. As God live it, I'm going to show you. See there? See everything pack out of 3 barrel there. And the clothes them a cushion. Even the snack them I buy. Look what them left out of snack. I had about the barrel them, you have to sit down on the barrel them to close the barrel them. I 2 hours to close the barrel. When we go in a barrel, quarter of one of the barrel gone. Look there. Out of the snack them I buy. For the kids them, this is all then left back out of the snack them I buy for the kids them. See there? That is all. Out about, when we pull the box of this, you know, about 25 of this coming in the box, you know. And see there, look what left out of it. 4 left out of it. And 1 box of this I buy as well. All of the rest I snack them. Does not add canned beef. Almost 2 dozen canned beef. Look there, 3 number canned beef. 1, 2, 3. 10 pack of sardines. See there, only 2 number pack. Each of them come in a 5 stack. See there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then gone with them there. This is the inverter. A 3 inverter I have in the barrel. And I want to go 1 more inverter. And this is inverter, the first one I have in my vehicle. And this is down in the bottom of the barrel. Then take them off at the top of the barrel. So, out of food stuff I send down. This is all I get back out of my food stuff. See there? All I get back out of, call I say, a little bit over 1/4 barrel of food. Yeah, canned stuff. Cause they pack tight. As me tell you. I had 2 buckles of the Hennessy here. See it here? 2 other big buckles of Hennessy here in there. And 1 number buckle I find. Yeah? Did a buckle of alcohol there. About 4 or 5 buckles of alcohol I have in a buckle. Now I barrel me and get back 2 buckles. You see the thing about it, Jamaica, we don't know. You see it? Teeth in a clean clothes here. The teeth them in a clean clothes. Very, very clean clothes, the teeth them in. Yeah, the teeth them in a very clean clothes. Yeah, God know. Me see where Buju did I go through. Me see where Buju I go through. Me see it. That the intact, yes, them left back this 9 barrel. But all our food stuff gone. Like, at them there, out of a whole barrel of food, at that on the left. Yo, on a bad man. On a bad man, on a bad man, on a bad man, on a bad, on a bad, on a blood clot, on a bad man. See there? It's a 1/4 barrel left in there, so. Me get all I tool them, so me nah ground them. Me get all of me tool them and me send them in this. But the food stuff them were in this. Blood clot. Gone. Me pussy clot.
You know, Buju is the one who said it's not an easy road, you know. Yeah. Anyway, people, man, I go along with this no longer because you know we have more review for drop. Do the right thing, people, and like my videos and my tours in time and share on our social media platforms. And subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Truly appreciate it. Bless.